Just to be honest, I ain't trying to eat that stuff. You ain't talking dollar bills. I'ma block you out. You ain't really on my team. I'ma shout you out. And if you show me love, I'ma shout you out. And once I shout you up, I'ma block you out. Holla at me when you ready. 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 Come on. Holla at me when you get a black car. Come on. Holla at me when you get your own car. Come on. Holla at me when you get your own. You gotta know she is. I let you see your backyard pictures.
Picking the bottom with proper colors, they never cared about it. If I really want it again, so I ain't worried about it. I just baby long in the veins, I'm thinking back to beauty. Riches, beauty, they never say it. How we do it, they stepping up and they lose it. Now we did they see the music. I was in the being good and holla. They talk about it, now we winning. Right now, they want culture, so I got you in Saskya. Originality is to include it. Cause you know they can we only break it for plans. Yes, guys like the head and they talking about nonsense. Yes, guys like the head and they talking about nonsense. So holla at me when you ready.
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 They ain't 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 ready. Ready, let's go.
Come on. Holla at me when you ready. I say holla at me when you ready. Come on. Holla at me when you ready. Let's go. Holla at me when you ready. Let's go. Holla at me when you ready. Let's go.
Thank you. Thank you so much for honoring me here. You guys were great. On passe à m'exprimer cette main. On a souhaité nous enjoyer. Merci. Happy Chevy is the name of the song. As Haitian people, we are who we are what we are, and we are what we have. So we have to be there for each other and unite and always support each other. And that's basically the message I want to leave with you tonight. I'm going to sing this song that I wrote for Haiti called My Haiti. I hope you enjoy it. It's a song that's very personal to me. I wrote it before the earthquake occurred. And Haiti is very in need of us right now. So let's be there for it. Thank you. One gets around.